Think about the shape that a child draws to represent safety, family, and belonging. Before they can write their own name, they can draw a house, a simple triangle on top of a square. It is one of the most universal symbols we have. When you take that symbolic form and translate it into a functional object, like a wall bookshelf, something interesting happens. It stops being just a place to put things and starts being a place that means something. A house-shaped wall bookshelf isn't merely a storage. It is a statement. It turns a collection of books or toys into a literal home for imagination, built right onto the wall. The design is immediately understandable. The silhouette is clear. A wider rectangular base forms the lower part of the house, and a triangle or pitched roof shape forms the top. Sometimes the design is simple and minimalist, just an outline. Other times, it might have details like window cutouts in the lower section or a chimney protruding from the roof peak. The key is that the form is recognizable at a glance. It uses the powerful familiar language of house to organize space on a vertical plane. The roof triangle becomes a natural nook for displaying a special item, a model airplane, a small plant, a favorite rock. The rectangular base provides the main shelving, perfect for a row of picture books standing face out, or a line of toy cars, or a series of small bins for art supplies. Wood is the obvious material for this. It connects the idea back to the very substance of a home. A shelf made from smooth, sanded pine, painted a bright, cheerful color, feels playful and perfect for a kid's room. The paint is durable, easy to wipe clean, and full of personality. In a living room or study, the same house shape crafted from a natural wood like walnut or oak with a clear oil finish takes on a different note. It becomes a more subtle, sophisticated piece of wall art that still carries that underlying warmth and symbolism. The grain of the wood flowing across the shape of the house ties it back to the nature, to the trees that literally build our homes. Functionally, this shape is surprisingly practical. The pitched roof section is great for things you want to highlight but don't need to access constantly. The main body provides straightforward, easy to reach shelving. Because it is wall mounted, it serves valuable floor space, which is always at a premium, especially in a child's room. It creates a dedicated zone on the wall for a child's most precious things, lifting them up off the floor and giving them a place of honor. For a child, having their books live in a house on their wall can create a positive personal connection to those items. It makes tidying up a more symbolic act. They're putting things to the bed in their little house. Beyond pure utility, this shelf works on a symbolic level. In a kid's room, it reinforces concepts of home and security in a gentle, visual way. It can be warehoused on the wall, separate from the bigger house they live in. In any room, it serves as a reminder of what a home represents, a shelter for what we value. When you use it to display books, you're quite literally building a home for stories. When you use it for objects, you're creating a curated little world. It invites you to arrange things with care, to treat that small, shaped space as something special. It is also a piece that can grow with a person. In a nursery, it might hold soft cloth books and a stuffed animal. For a school-aged child, it holds chapter books and science kits. In a teen's room or a college dorm, it becomes a cool, geometric shelf for a few favorite novels, a photo frame, and a succulent. The form remains constant, but its contents tells the story of the person who lives there. So, a house-shaped wall bookshelf is a blend of clear symbolism and straightforward function. It uses a form we all understand to create organized, vertical space. What is the main appeal of a shelf like this for you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.